Hey guys, today I have an updated video for you about how to be a QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor. This is a great place for bookkeepers to start getting certified within the QuickBooks program. My name is Morgan. Definitely check out FinePoints.biz for my free masterclass as well as my free checklist on how to start a bookkeeping business. And of course, subscribe to my channel for a new bookkeeping video every single week. As I've said before, bookkeeping is not a regulated field, so you don't need to get a specific certification. If you're just starting out as a bookkeeper, this is an awesome free certification to get, and it's kind of an industry standard for people who use QuickBooks. It's a little confusing to sort through all the options. I do have a video all about different bookkeeper trainings you can check out here. My favorite is called Bookkeeper Launch, which is also linked in the description box. But for this free ProAdvisor training, first of all, you need to make sure that you get QuickBooks Online Accountant. So if you're just searching around on the Intuit website, it gets confusing, but make sure you get the account version. So it's free to use starting out, and it's free for my own business's books. Then I can see all of my clients within my accountant profile. So I go to this client tab and you can see each of my clients listed here. And then I can go into each one of these guys and work on their books. And so there is a cost associated as soon as each client is joining. So either they can pay for it or you can pay for that QuickBooks subscription. And I have a video detailing all of that info. The thumbnail looks like this and it's called How to Pay for Client QuickBooks. All right, now I am going to do a screen record to show you guys exactly how to find the training within QuickBooks Online. Definitely drop me a celebrate or a yay in the comments if you're excited about this certification and you've been looking for it and finally are excited to know where to find it. All right, so I'm just going to Google QuickBooks Online Accountant. And there's a lot of stuff going on this page, but basically you just want to create a login. You just want to sign up. So go to sign up, put in your email address, your name, your phone number, and create a password, and then continue. And then I have a screenshot here of the next page. A lot of people get stuck because they're like, wait, I don't have a business. I don't have a firm name yet. You don't have to do that. Just put in whatever. You can put in your name, or I put Morgan's Bookkeeping. You can always change this later. All right, and then this is what the QuickBooks Online Accountant dashboard looks like. So this new button is one you'll use a lot as time goes on. Under your practice are all your clients listed, like that screenshot I showed you earlier. And then this is the tab that we're going to be using. But I also just wanted to show you that your books are in here too. So that's like what's free within QuickBooks. So you can hook up your business bank account and everything you need, pull all your reports for your bookkeeping business, your firm here. If you're not to that point yet, that's totally fine, but eventually you will want to use that. All right, then to find this ProAdvisor training, you just go to this ProAdvisor tab and then training. And then there's a lot to kind of wade through here. So I'm just going to pinpoint directly where to go. So if you want to take the ProAdvisor exam, this is how you start it, take exam. But if you don't know, if you need training, then you want to go down to this section right here, QuickBooks Online. So this one is just kind of like a introduction, and then this is an advanced training that you can do later. When I took this training a couple of years ago, I actually had been a bookkeeper for a long time, so I just briefly glanced at this training and then I went right to take the exam. So if you do already have experience, that is totally an option, but most of you will probably want to go through these 8 modules, and it says it takes 8 hours. So that is always helpful to look here. You can see how long each thing will take you. All right, and then you can see you can either take this self-paced or you can take a webinar. So that you can sign up for a particular time to take a webinar if that is how you learn. And then the self-paced training, I'll go into it just so you can kind of see a little bit about it. There are these 8 modules and each one takes like 45 minutes to like over an hour. All right, and then I'll just go into one of them so you can kind of see what it looks like. Within this first module, there's a bunch, it's divided. And then when you start it, they have kind of a mixture. There's a lot of reading, and then sometimes they'll show you a video. And then you just, kind of go through the whole thing, and it tracks your progress up above. And then sometimes it'll ask you little quiz questions, which are pretty helpful as well. So, so here's the knowledge check. So you can, quiz yourself as you go along. So if for some reason your training tab is blank or you have other technical difficulties, definitely contact Intuit directly. I can't really problem solve with you through my comment section or anything. I know some people have occasionally had that problem, but call Intuit and you can get on the phone with them and they should be able to figure it out. Also, I didn't mention before, but this test is only available in certain countries. So I think there are 5 countries that you can take this test in: the United States, Canada, South Africa, and a couple others. So if you're outside of one of those countries, you're going to have to see what is available in your country. All right, so now I'll click on the Take Exam button to kind of show you a little bit of rules about the exam. So you can see there's 5 sections to the exam, and previously I recommended taking the exam section by section, do part of the training and then take section 1. It doesn't line up quite as well with this new update they did, but that still may be beneficial depending on your testing strategies. So each one of these 5 sections is separate. So there's no time limit. You can take them at any time, and you just have to finish one section at a time. But you won't know if you passed or failed until you complete all 5 sections. So you can kind of see, if you click on Take Exam, you can start anywhere but finish anything you start. So if you start section 4, you got to finish section 4. And the next little part is about getting your grade. So once you complete all 5 sections, you'll click Submit, and then you need an 80% or higher to pass the exam. And if you don't pass, it'll just make you retake the sections that you failed. And then you have 3 tries to do it. If you do not pass on the 3rd try, you need to wait 60 days. And if you guys are nervous about passing the test or getting locked out or something, I do have a partner, Margie, who does quick and easy QBO, and she has a class dedicated just to helping you pass this test. And within her class, you can upgrade to get like a guarantee pass. So that's pretty awesome if you're interested in that. I have a $20 off coupon that is in the description box. Some of the benefits to having that ProAdvisor certification is they have a database where you can create a profile, and then clients can find you through that. So it's a marketing resource. And I have heard kind of mixed things about it. Some people get a lot of clients and some people have found it kind of useless. I personally don't use it. I don't do a lot of marketing because I've always been pretty full with clients. And then you also have this badge that you can download, so you can put that on your website or your business card or whatever. And like I said, it is kind of an industry standard to have this ProAdvisor certification, and it just gives you a little bit of credibility, especially if you're just getting started. So will you be ready to be a bookkeeper and go out and get clients as soon as you have this ProAdvisor certification? I would say probably not. You're probably going to want to get a little bit more experience. You will understand the QuickBooks program a lot better, but you might want some hands-on training. Don't forget to check out that video I mentioned about all the different training options. And one that's not on there is there's a new Intuit certified bookkeeping professional. So that is not free. It does cost, I think, $50 for the training and then $150 to take a proctored exam. So I'm gonna probably take that myself pretty soon and then do a video about that.